but normally the mail comes at like 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So my dad got their phone number, so we're going to go and meet up with them at the post office, and we're going to pick it up early today. So I'll see you in a minute.
Congratulations. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Appreciate it. All right, y'all have a good day.
Alright guys, here's the box. We're gonna wait till we get home to open it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here it is. Let's open it up. There it is. There's my mom's shampoo or something. I guess that shipped with it. But here's what we really want. So there's a few changes that I'm aware of about the Switch. At first, it's got a bigger screen. It's got better graphics and it's brighter. And it's got this bigger stand on the back. Here, I don't know if I can show it on the camera. It's got like the whole screen, the whole width of it. There's a giant stand on the back. So let's go on and open it. Where's the opening? Alright, so you pull this out. Trying to get it on the camera. Here's our controllers. Set these here. Got some boring instructions, but we don't need these. And the Switch. Why are there holes in it? There better not be something wrong with the screen. Alright, anyways. Let's check this out. Oh man, that is so smooth. Okay. Here's the kickstand I was talking about. It completely folds out of the back, so it can hold it up, and it's really strong. It's not flimsy like the old Switch. Okay, and then we got our charger. Here's the HDMI thing to hook it up to your TV. I'm gonna do that soon. We've got our charger and these things that I never use. What's this? Oh yeah. And then another one of these. Pretty cool. Now we have oh, here's a docking station, yeah. This is a really cool looking docking station. I've been really excited about this one. Here it is. I like the colors a lot. Okay. Let's go on and get this hooked up to the TV. Before we do that, here is everything that came with it, just so you can see it real quick. Let's get this hooked up. So I'm gonna have to unplug everything that's in here. So now I have to put the new one in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Oh, did that just pop off? I think that's supposed to, okay, yeah, that's supposed to come off, I think. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting it to do that. Here is how this goes. Now that goes in there. That's all put in. Let's see how easy it is to put the top back on. Not that hard. There we go. Before we do anything else, I'm going to go in and charge this and get it ready. I'm going to go in and turn it on. The buttons are different too. The top buttons. Do English. Oh wait, I don't want to do that. Alright, I have to let it download. Alright. I thought it wanted me to hold it. Alright, so I got my account. Alright, so let's go on and download some games. So I got my account in. I'm downloading one of my games. So yeah, here's the Oled. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.